Now we're going to a place called Anne's Hat Maker in Del Mar. Let's check it out. Hopefully the lines won't be too bad here. Oh yeah. Yep. This line here. Anne's Hat Makers. This line, there's a line. Yeah, we're ready to get some gelato. Is this a crave? Gelato, some gelato ice cream. You guys know what flavors you're getting already?
There's different ones like every day.
Oh really? It's just different. It's almost like that cookie shop that changes every cookies every day. What do you think? What do you guys think?
I'll see it's different. I don't know. We'll see.
That's what the ice cream looks like. Ooh, it looks good. Check that out. Voted number 2 ice cream shop in America. That's real, huh?
10 best.
Yeah. Wow. So yeah, the sign says voted number 2 ice cream shop in America, USA Today, but it's actually number 1. Checked it up at ChatGPT. It's actually number 1. So wow, that's an accomplishment. That's a big deal. Number 1 ice cream shop in America, Anne's Hat Maker. Here we're checking out the apparently number 1 ice cream shop in America. Number 1. They showed us this place. I've never been here before, but apparently we hit the jackpot.
For example, today, if you look, I don't know if you know, all the flavors of the gelato are named after different
Hats.
If you go to on laundry, dry cleaning, they're named after different fabric.
Interesting.
Ahead of the baby,
Oh,
but
hello.
not here yet.
Baby, when you get here, you had the number 1 ice cream. You had the number 1 ice cream. You just didn't know it yet. Yeah, exactly. Put them on a flavor tour. Yeah, so I can see how the lines can actually be like long. I mean, there's something called try them all on a flavor tour, and you can try every item, every ice cream on the menu for the day. Yeah, I guarantee that that's what most people are doing. That's what I'm gonna do. A little bit of a flavor tour. Here go the hats.
But they're for sale.
Hence the name Anne's Hat Maker. What do you see? Huh?
It's a hat stand, maybe?
Like everything is like hat, like theme, hat theme. I think everybody's doing a flavor tour. I think that's what's going on. Flavor touring.
Revelation.
Yeah, you can't have Anne's Hat Makers without having hats displayed at the shop.
You tell my thoughts, comment.
Yeah. So it's our first time here. They said we could do some type of flavor tour and try it things here. Is that anything?
Allergies or dietary restrictions?
No, I don't.
Not tonight, because you're number 1 now, so.
Did you know that? You're number 1.
Yes.
It says number 2 outside.
Yeah, that was from last year. We
Oh,
actually
nice.
got number 2, but
Oh, that-
it's not great. It's a lime sorbet. Super refreshing.
Oh, wow.
You know,
Yeah, palate cleanser. Put it here.
yes.
Okay.
This flavor is called Fascinator. This one's going to be a strawberry sorbet. We use
Okay.
over 19 kinds of strawberries per batch. And then we've got Straw Hat is our next flavor.
Straw hat.
This
Okay.
one's going to be a mango passion fruit sorbet. It has a little bit of hardness in it.
Okay. Wow.
And then moving on to our dairy-based flavors, we have tweed. It's going to be a trace slate base.
Good.
Our cream sponge paste. We soak it in that milk mixture. So it looks like a Rio trace slate cheese.
Very good.
Next flavors are bestseller. This
Oh.
one's called leather.
Bestseller.
I think it tastes like a cookie dough.
Wow. That's yummy too. Wow.
This is my personal favorite flavor. This one is going to be called Vinefoot, and it's a roasted pistachio flavor. We roast and salt all the pistachios and make a paste out of it.
That is good.
Oh my gosh.
To mix with
Wow.
the-
Was that all of them?
And then we got 2
Oh, 2 more. Let's go.
is called hard hat, and this is going to be a cold brew espresso flavor.
Oh
We
goodness.
brew coffee. I think it tastes a little bit like a bit of latte though, because it doesn't have that cream in there.
Oh wow.
And our last flavor today is called Clay.
Clay.
This is one of our Petco Park flavors. It's going to be a Nutella brownie flavor. Got that Nutella base. And dark chocolate.
Oh man. Wow. Now I need to make the hardest decision in my life. Is to figure out which one to get. I'm gonna actually do the tres leches.
That one's good.
And what would be good with tres leches? I mean,
Pistachio.
oh yeah, pistachio was good. Yeah, I had that one. Okay, that's what I'm doing. What's up, dude? Right.
That was the most fun ice cream tour I've ever had.
Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you for doing that. Wow, you guys took it up. Wow.
Oh, do you want a cone?
No, this is fine. This is fine. I'm not having a cup.
Yeah, I have the pineapple.
I got the roasted pistachio, and I got the tres leches. Yeah. You just getting that one?
Yeah.
I knew you get strawberry.
It's so good. It's like probably the healthiest one too.
Oh yeah. What is that? Oh, you got the kaboy.
The straw hat mango passion.
Nice.
With tahini.
With some tahini on it. And the strawberry. Okay, so we're carrying this. Find a nice spot to have this. Okay. Find a spot here. Over here. Okay, let's get right into it now. Pistachio and tres leches. #1 ice cream shop in America. Here we go. Tres leches. And I've tried these obviously inside, but you know, we have this here because you got to go and get a large bite. Oh yeah, that's good. Creamy, sweet. That gelato.
It's with condensed milk, evaporated milk, and a sponge cake something.
Is that right? Wow,
Is that the cake?
you heard all that? Good remembrance. Okay, and I got the pistachio. The pistachio. I tried this one and I was like, I have to try this one again and get it on my 2 ice cream combo. Okay, pistachio. Bite. Oh man, that nuttiness, the pistachio, the sweetness. That is fantastic. My goodness. How is it?
Good, very refreshing.
Yeah. Again, the #1 ice cream in America, On's Hat Makers. And that is just ultimately yummy.
It's the quality, it's the uniqueness, it's the smoothness. Which one is that?
You just keep going because it's just so good. Man, right? The pistachio is just yummy. The pistachio is amazing.
Yeah.
Like, dude, it's really good.
Yeah. There's little tiny bits, and then there's also a big, huge regular pistachio too. Wow.
Wow. Oh, you got the metal spoon. She has the metal spoon. You're supposed to.
My bad.
Spoon.
Sure you're not the only person that's done that.
Ah, you have a souvenir now.
Thank you. My daughter will love you.
Yep.
We'll bring my daughter here.
She has that silver spoon. Smugged it into your jacket on the way out. That's awesome. You're good. That's a souvenir. All right, so wrapping up this video here. Del Mar and Hat Makers, absolutely delicious. That's about it. Check them out if you ever want the #1 ice cream in America. With that said, enjoy the bite life. Later.